Hello, welcome to India Sister's Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata. Today we are going to make Varamalaga Kodi Masala. This is an amazing recipe made with dry red chilli, garlic and curd. Let's see how to make this simple recipe.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sister's Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
Turn on the stove and have a pan on it. Today we are going to make the recipe using 1 kg chicken. For that, add 15 dry red chillies and 5 Kashmiri red chillies. Then add 2 cups of water and boil. It should boil nicely for 5 to 10 minutes. Chilies have boiled well. Turn off the stove and place the chilies on a plate to cool. Set aside the boiled water to use it later in the mixie. Now add 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cloves, 3 cardamom, 3 star anise to the mixie jar. Then add the boiled red chilies as well. 25 cloves of garlic, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of salt, and then finally the boiled water. Grind it smoothly. Add some water if necessary. I have nicely washed chicken kept aside in a bowl. Add 250 ml curd to the chicken, then add the ground paste that we have on top of it. Blend it nicely and keep aside to marinate for 1 hour. The chicken has marinated well. Now place a pan and add 5 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Let it heat. Now it's hot. Now add the chicken masala into the pan.
This chicken is perfect with sambar rice and rasam rice. If you make it a little dry, you can have it as a side dish. If more watery, then mix with rice and eat.
You can have a bigger pan and make it as well. Mix it nicely for 2 to 3 minutes so that the oil spreads all over the pan. It's mixed nicely. Now close the lid and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes at a medium heat. Keep mixing in between. Now let it cook.
Akka, shall we open and mix it well?
Yes, let's mix it. It's cooked nice and getting dry. Let it dry a little more. It's a very simple recipe. It doesn't need too many ingredients. You can make it tasty using very few ingredients.
Looks so spicy and delicious.
Check to see if the chicken is cooked well. Yes, it has cooked nicely. Chicken and masala has blended perfectly and looks so yummy. At this stage, add a handful of mint leaf. Mix it well and it's done. Tasty Varamalaga chicken masala is ready. A delicious Varamalaga Kodi masala is ready. Please try to make this at home and let us know how it came in the comment section.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.